What's up guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to stop people from seeing who you follow on Instagram. So if you followed like a specific person and you don't want other people to see that person in your following list, like you don't want anyone to see your following list. Now this video is for you. I'm gonna be showing you guys step by step on how you can do this. Let me switch to my other account, and as you can see here guys, I'm going to click on a specific account. Now if you want to hide or to stop people from seeing who you follow on Instagram, then just follow these exact steps, and even if you click here, it won't allow you to, as you can see here guys, it doesn't allow you to see who this person is following. Okay, I can see like the following list of this person. Now how you can do this? Very quick and simple. Now if you want to do this for only one person, you can do this, but if you want to do it for everyone, like you don't want anyone to see how you follow on Instagram, just open your profile picture at the very bottom. Just click on your profile picture at the very bottom right, then click three little lines in the top right. Now if you want to hide this, like I said, from everyone, then this is going to be a little bit complicated. But if you want to hide it or to stop people from seeing how you follow on Instagram only for one person, then this is very quick and simple. Now for everyone, you want to click settings and privacy and click on private account. Okay, you have to turn this in you have to switch to a private account in case if you want to stop people from seeing how you follow on Instagram. This is the only way. But if you want to stop a specific person, you want to just click on their profile, for example, and then click three little dots in the top right, and then click on restrict. Okay, in the top, restrict, and this person won't see the following how you follow on Instagram, and you won't be able to see your like when you're last seen on Instagram. So that's exactly guys how you can stop people from seeing who you follow on Instagram. If this video helped you, drop a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.